Hey folks, I have a really cool baritone to show you today. It's been a while since we've done Orford, Cedar, and Walnut. And man, when I strummed it yesterday, I was like, oh yeah. It's like, get back, Aaron, get back to the Orford Cedar top. It's so nice. So this one has a really cool walnut back and sides. This is some grafted walnut. So a lot of orchard trees have like a rootstock and a fruit stock. It's like two different kinds of tree grafted together, and so in Oregon the walnuts are like that. And if I remember right, I think it's usually, this one is Claro and this is English walnut. Really cool, huh? And this comes from a tree that I got from Forest Products. I just got like the root ball on the bottom of the trunk and I milled it up for parts. And then the top is, yeah, we got curly Orford cedar top. Pistachio for all this stuff here. And then alder and walnut for the neck. I really like alder. It's a local wood. It's just been hard for me to get good pieces like this. So a little walnut binding just to hold it together, but real simple. Yeah, this one's got it, man, in 954. Solid but lightweight, easy to play. Yeah, and that Orford cedar and walnut combination is just always a winner. Cheers.